I have had a lot of discomfort during my acne days, and it was really irritating. I was conscious every time people looked at me, and I couldn't help it. I tried so many different methods and spent so much money to eliminate it, yet nothing worked. I still suffered from severe acne. Until I discovered Acne No More, Ice Secrets for Curing Acne Holistically. The last 2 weeks, I followed the Method of Acne No More program, and it was really amazing to me because within 1 week, my acne has been absolutely gone, as you can see. And in a few days, it never returned. The blackheads, excessive oiliness, peeling, redness, that all vanished. And as you can see, it's all gone. And my scars and acne marks had amazingly disappeared. My face felt lighter, healthier, and energetic, of course smoother, and I now have a lot of self-esteem, to face all the men around the world, as you can see my face. So this Acne No More program had a lot of instructions and it was very long, but it was really worth it. You should follow the program and don't be such a lazy ass. Just do it. Simply follow the steps in the order they appear on the program and you're guaranteed to eliminate your acne from the inside out. Get rid of any type of acne symptom and dramatically improve the quality of your life and well-being. And that's it. You can visit this link to get a free discount. Enjoy and good luck.